In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I got rid of strawberry skin, also known as chicken skin, with just one product in less than a week. Hi besties, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Good Eric. If you're new here, please stay by clicking the like button, subscribing to my channel, and turning on your notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're not new, you already know we're besties. Welcome back again. So guys, strawberry skin or chicken skin are small dark spots or dotted spots located around your legs, maybe thighs, or some people have it around their butt, because I had mine around my butt, you know, that resembles strawberry surface, you know, the surface of strawberry or chicken skin. You understand what that means? So I had this, I didn't know it's actually what is called strawberry or chicken skin until I started making my research, and I decided to find out what causes it. And I realized that it's caused by dryness, clogged pores, what else again, shaving. Right, for those of you that shave your skin, yes, this causes it as well. So I started making research on how to get rid of it, because I didn't like how it looked. It was looking so rough. It was looking, the feeling was so bumpy to me. So I wanted to get rid of it by all means. So I saw a post on TikTok where a girl was talking about Amlatin lotion. I think that's the name. I bought it. I used it for some time, but it didn't work for me. Like, I didn't see the result right on that area. Then I started making more research to see what product I can use to just get rid of it. Then I came across a post where someone talked about this products. Then I decided to try it out, guys. That was the best decision I made. Buying this lotion was the best decision I made. But please, guys, this lotion actually is said to exfoliate your skin. Yeah, to exfoliate your skin. So please, when you exfoliate it, what am I saying? When you exfoliate your skin, please do not use it. Don't apply it that day. You can exfoliate today and apply it maybe tomorrow or every other day. Do you understand what that means? But I bet you if you use this for 3 days, you will see results. If you use this product on that chicken skin or strawberry skin for 3 days, you will see tremendous results, because I did and it worked for me. Like, it has cleared off my, this is just the first bottle I bought, and it's still just, I think it's just left with a little. I don't know how to really explain it. What is left here is just very, very little, and it has done the magic for me. If you have those dots, those spots around your thighs, your butt, your hands, please get this for yourself. It will work fast for you, and it's actually softening your skin. It does a lot, but I bought it for that reason, and guys, trust me, it gave me the result I wanted. So if you want to get rid of your strawberry skin or strawberry leg or chicken skin, please get this. And please also try to moisturize the skin, because if it's caused by dry skin, you know you need to moisturize the skin. You need to keep your skin moisturized. So also try to moisturize the skin as you shower, you exfoliate, you apply this in the morning. But I forgot to mention, only use this at night, guys. Only use this at night, like before bedtime. Only use this at night. You can moisturize your skin in the morning and use this at night. This will give you clear skin. Aside the whole chicken skin, it will give you clear skin. It will give your skin that smoothness, that softness, you know. So guys, try this out and let me know in the comment section if it works. But I'm giving you just 1 week, because I know I saw results in just 3 days, but I know you will definitely see results in less than a week. Try this. I'm not gatekeeping. That's why I'm sharing this, because I know there are a lot of people going through this and they're embarrassed about it, and some people don't even, they're not, comfortable wearing some clothes because of it. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.